Go. Are you ready? Okay, Henry. So now as you can see this picture are the same, but some things are different, right? So this is teacher's picture and this is yours, okay? So as you can see in my picture, the door is open. But in my picture, the door is open. Is it closed? Yes, very good. In my picture, the drum has got lizard on it. But the picture is down on the drum. Very good. In my picture, the girl is taking a photo. But in the picture, the man is taking a photo. In my picture, the girl is playing badminton. But in my picture, the girl is playing a guitar. Good job. In my picture, the man is playing piano is standing. But in my picture, the man is playing piano sitting chair. Very good. Let's go down to this part. As you can see, we will going to talk about different blogs about Sarah's and Man's. Okay? So I don't know anything about Sarah, but you do. And now I'm going to ask you some questions about Sarah. Okay? So what day does Sarah go to the tennis club? What day is the day? The Monday. Monday. Very good. So what time does Sarah go to her tennis club? It's from 13 p.m. Where is Sarah's tennis club? At the park. Very good. And how long does Sarah play or practice in the tennis club? Sarah plays 2 hours. 2 hours. And who is her tennis club teacher? Good job. Now, you don't know anything about men, but I do. So you are going to ask me some question about men. What bands do very good. He goes there every Friday. What time Ben goes he? He goes there at 5:15 p.m. When he swims. He swims or his swim club is in the sports center. How long he swims? It takes 1 hour every Friday. What teacher is Ben? His teacher's name is Mrs. Brown. Okay, so now Henry, you are going to make a story about these pictures. So this picture is called the kitten. This is Nick. When he opens, okay, it's very the best day. Okay, sunny day, a great day. When he opens the door, he sees a cat in front of his house. Very good. Now tell a story in picture 2, 3, 4, and 5. Picture 2, the boy is before the couch. And he put the posters on the kittens on the tree. The grandma tree picture cat. Finally, boy give grandma okay, very good. Wow. And grandma. Good job. So, thank you so much, Henry. Let's talk about this